It's getting close to Christmas time, and it's time for me to make a Christmas ornament. So I think I've decided to use this cedar, little piece of cedar here, aromatic cedar. Yeah, that's good and stinky. And this purple heart. So the purple heart's going to be the fenniel, and the cedar is going to be the base of the ornament. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off a hunk of this for the ornament. I don't know how big this thing's going to work out to be. I don't want to use this big bulbous area because that could be used for a bowl or something. But I think I'm going to cut off around here. That would make the ornament, you know, a little like that size. Mount it up and make it round. I've got this blank ready to go. I'm not really sure if the shape is going to be all that great. And I've got this fenniel made. And the idea is I'm going to cut off this blank where it's the same width as the fenniel's base there. Drill a hole, glue it on, and then hopefully I won't have to sand it any further. We'll see how that works. And then as far as the hanger, I will just drill a small hole in the top here, and then stick some string in there and super glue it into place, and then do some final sanding on it. It's really kind of almost done. So let's proceed, and hopefully I don't totally mess this one up. All right, the ornament is complete. We got purple heart finial on the bottom here, and we got the year burned into it. I think it looks nice. I did 3 coats of lacquer on it, and it smells really nice in the shop right now. I think I like it.
It's beautiful.
I like you too.
Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.